Hi everyone, I'm Sharadhamani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we discussed about banking technology. In banking technology, the first is banking operation. In banking operation means the bank has existing for centuries dating back to the days of civilization. The bank system in India has also transformed over time. Before dividing into evaluation of bank in India, let's look how the bank developed. Okay, here here, a country banking system plays a uh, circular role in economic growth with changes in people economic situation, the demand for financial services and technological progress. India's banking sector has significantly changed over the last 5 centuries. Let's explore the evaluation the banking system in India and understand the country's various types of banking systems. Okay, next the country's banking system plays a circular role in its economic growth also. Okay, with the changes in people economic situation, the demand for financial services and technological progress, let's explore the evaluation of bank in India, starting from the establishment of the first bank to the current era of mobile banking. Okay, here there are three phases of branch operations, that is pre-nationalization phase, post-nationalization phase and liberalization phase. Okay, first one is the pre-independent phase. அதோட டைம் பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா 1947லேருந்து 69 மட்டுங்க. ஓகேங்களா, இந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷன் பேங்கிங் செக்டர் in India started over 100 years before independence with the establishment of the Bank of Hindustan in 1770, located in then Indian capital கல்கட்டா. பிஃபோர் தட் டெல்லி. இப்போ வந்து டெல்லி இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கல்கட்டா தான் வந்துட்டு கல்கட்டா தான் வந்துட்டு இந்தியாவோட கேபிட்டலாக வச்சுருந்தாங்க. அந்த டைமில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த இடத்துல தான் நம்மளோட ஃபஸ்ட் பேங்க் ப்ரீ இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் பேங்க் வந்து அங்கே தான் ரன் ஆக ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. ஹவவர் இட் ஃபேஸ்டு ஃபெயிலியர் and was liquidated in 1832. Okay, other banks like the General Bank of India and other commercial bank were also established during the pre-independent era but did not endure for the long. This marks the earlier stage of evaluation of the banking system in India. Okay, around 600 banks were established during that time. However, numerous major banks faced challenges and failed due to the inadequate management skills, lack of machinery and technology, resulting in the time of consuming procedures and human errors. This made Indian account holders vulnerable to fraud. Despite these challenges, a few banks managed to survey the test of the time and continue to exist today. Okay, between 1906 and 1999, influenced by Swadeshi movement, local businessmen and political figures started banks for the Indian community, and some of them are still running today. From the First World War to the end of the Second World War and 2 years after until India gained independence, the banking system faced challenging times, resulting in the failure of many banks. Okay, the next one is post-independent phase. This is 1969 to 1991. Okay, this is the circular phase in Indian history of banking. After gaining independence, the evaluation of banking in India persistent as the government of India GOI, that is embraced a mixed economy approaches in 1948, involving significant intervention in markets to bolster the economy. The Reserve Bank of India, established in 1935, was nationalized in 1949, granting it the authority to regulate, control, and inspect all banks in India. Okay. Next one is in this the post-independent phase, nationalization in 1969. That is first one. In that, the government of India issued banking companies ordinance. This decision resulted in the nationalization of the 14 largest commercial banks in India at the time, bringing forth various benefits of nationalization. In nationalization 1980, the second wave of nationalization occurred, bring 6 additional commercial bank into the fold. This event subsequently became a circular part of the history of banking in India. Okay. Reason for the nationalization bank in India, that is promote the economic development of the country, develop confidence in banking system of India, prevent the concentration of the power of economic power in the hands of the select few, improve the efficiency of the banking industry, create a social economic balance, mobilize the national saving and channel them into productivity purpose sectors such as export, agricultural and small scale industries were lagging behind. Several serve the larger mass of the rural populations. Okay. In this, positive impact of nationalizations are better outreach, increased savings, surged public deposit, increased efficiency, and empowered small scale industries, providing employment opportunities and improved agriculture sectors. Okay, the next one is liberalization. In liberalization in 1991, the government of India made significant change in its economic policies by adopting economic liberalization. This shift aimed to increase the involvement of private and international investment. As a result, the RBI approved the establishment of 10 private bank in India. In few years, Kotak Mahindra Bank 2001 and S Bank 2004, IDFC Bank 2015 and Bandhan Banks 2015, okay, are joined in legal. Positive impact of liberalizations are revitalization of banking sector. This resulted in rapid and robust growth of the government, foreign and private banks in India. The second one is adoption of modern and tech-based approaches. Traditional banks embraced modern and technology-driven methods. The third one is introduction of the payment banks. A new category of banks, payment banks, were established. The fourth one is creation of the small financial banks. The emergency of the small financial banks become a notable development. The next one is normalization of digital transaction. The norms shifted towards the digitalization of the bank transaction and operations. The next one is expansion of the foreign banks. International bank like Bank of America, Citibank, HSBC, etc. established branches in India, bringing the total to 46. Okay. The next one is push in nationalization. Instead of further nationalization, the Indian bank sector experienced several mergers among public sector banks in the subsequent year. Okay. So thank you for watching.